I welcome you all. The topic discussed is projection of points in fourth quadrant. The question given is a point S is 30 mm below HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. The point S is 30 mm below HP and 40 mm in front of VP. The point S is in fourth quadrant. The front view of the point S is seen on VP denoted by S dash. The point S dash is 30 mm below XY. The top view of the point S is seen on HP denoted by S. The point S is 40 mm distance from XY. Suppose if you have a reference line XY, the space below XY is vertical plane. So on this vertical plane, we will draw the front view of the point S. The point S dash, the front view of the point S is 30 mm below XY. Now if you rotate HP by an angle equal to 90 degrees in clockwise direction, again if you have a reference line, the area below XY line is HP. Now on this HP, we will draw the top view of the point S. The point S is 40 mm below XY. So now here both the front view and top view of the point S, which is in fourth quadrant, is below XY. Let us now draw both front view and top view together. Again, if you have reference line XY, measure 30 mm, mark the point S dash, the front view of the point S. Again, from the same point on the reference line, measure 40 mm, mark the point S, the top view of the point S. This distance of S from XY is 40 mm. So here, if the point S is in fourth quadrant, both the front view and top view will be below XY. Now let us draw the projections. Take A3 sheet, draw margins on all four sides. Write the question number. In the right bottom corner, write all dimensions are in millimeter. The question given is a point S is 30 mm below HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. Draw a reference line XY. It is given point S is 30 mm below HP. Therefore, front view of S is 30 mm below XY. Take a scale, measure 30 mm, mark the point as S dash. This point S dash is 30 mm below XY. Again it is given point S is 40 mm in front of VP. It means top view of S is 40 mm below XY. Take a scale, again from the reference line, the same point, measure 40 mm. Mark the point as S, the top view of the point S. This point S is 40 mm below XY. Now here we have drawn the front view and top view of the point S, which is in fourth quadrant. Both the front view and top view is below XY. Also note whether S dash and S, the point S dash and S lie in the same projector. I hope that you understand now what is fourth angle projection. Thank you. Wish you all the best.